Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming hardware and account readiness. Open Settings and go to Accounts so Windows can link face data to your profile. This matters because the system needs a secure account context. Next, make sure your infrared or compatible camera is enabled and drivers are current. Outdated drivers prevent enrollment. Once those checks pass, you're ready to open the Sign-in options screen and begin the Windows Hello Face setup process. This step initiates the guided camera capture. You'll click Setup under Windows Hello Face and follow the on-screen wizard. The app explains each capture so you know why it asks for multiple angles. Position your face about 18 to 24 inches from the camera, keep neutral expression, and slowly rotate your head when prompted so the IR sensor records depth and contours for reliable recognition. Make sure ambient lighting is steady. Extreme backlight reduces accuracy. Once the wizard finishes its passes, Windows will confirm successful enrollment so you can test sign-in immediately. You'll finish by locking the screen or pressing Win+L to verify that Windows Hello Face signs you in. This confirms the how and why. Face data enables fast, hands-free access. Make sure you also set a PIN backup in case the camera fails. If recognition struggles, return to sign-in options and choose Improve Recognition to add more angles. If problems persist, update the camera driver or OS, retry enrollment in better lighting, or temporarily use a PIN or fingerprint until the camera issues are resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.